When it comes to the market, it's kind of like a salad. We look for it to be well seasoned. That's what we like. We can trust things when we know they've had a lot of ups and downs. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, for instance, that's an index that we like and we follow because it has been seasoned. All the stocks in there have been around for a long time. They've experienced a lot. On the other hand, when things aren't seasoned, investors, for instance, it has a different meaning. Frequently, it means you can't necessarily trust what they believe. In this case, we're going to look at option traders. Option traders, the options market is kind of a rite of passage. It takes a lot of seasoning to be successful because you have to know not only what direction you think the market is going, but when it's going to go there. So let's look at these two charts and what they tell us about where we think the market is headed. This is an options market. The small trader call buying is in the opening half hour. How much of the options are being purchased in calls versus puts. This is as a percentage of the New York Stock Exchange volume. You'll notice with the arrow, it was at a 3% level in 2000 at the peak in March 2000. Very important peak, led to a roughly 80% decline in the NASDAQ. More recently, in January of 2018, another key turn point, small traders were once again very influential in this market. They had 3% of the New York Stock Exchange total volume was in calls. Now, you'll see here between 4 and 5% in January of last year when the market was also topping out. From that point forward, right through March, we had the fastest decline from an all-time high in history. The interest of small traders was telling us something. Now, here once again, better than 9%, which is 300% of what it was in 2000 and January of 2018. So quite a bit higher, and it's, we believe, telling us a similar message. So we have another chart here, which looks at the number of upside bets in small trader call buys minus the puts. So the puts are a bet in favor of a falling market. You'll see in 2000, it was at a high for that time, not even at 3 million. Okay, more recently, in January of 2018, again, more than 3 million contracts. And again, a key turn. Now, in January of last year, as I said, a very important peak, it was at 5 million contracts. Where are we today? The dotted line, follow it up. 15 million contracts. That's quite a bit more. That's 1,000% more than at the peak in 2000 and 500% more than in January of 2018, which was then an all-time record. So I think we can say definitively that small traders are very interested in stocks at this point. This is just one window into the market. There's a lot of others, and they all have a similar message, which we'll be covering in the next few issues. Thank you.